So in this video, I want to show you how to create appointment slots within Google Calendar that you can share with other teachers or parents to help make your scheduling easier. So when you're on your home page, you can go up to the grid and choose Calendar so that your calendar opens. And so your calendar will open to the current date. And what you need to do is figure out when you want to schedule your appointments for. So let's say that I want to schedule my appointments for Friday, May 26th, and I want to schedule my appointments from noon until 4 p.m. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to click and drag like I was creating a new event, but instead of choosing the event like is the normal default, you want to choose appointment slots. And so then you're going to choose what you want your appointment to be for. So let's say that we want teacher meetings. And then you can choose what calendar you want it on. So it's going to default to your account, but let's say I want to put it with my school. And then you can choose a single appointment slot, or you can offer it as slots of a certain number of minutes. So I'm going to change it from 30 to 15 minutes. And so then I'm going to create it. And what I'll see in my calendar is that it says teacher meetings in 15-minute slots. Now what I want to do is I want to actually share this calendar with other teachers, or maybe you're using this for parent-teacher conferences and you want to share this with your parents. And so what you're going to do is you're actually going to click on the event and it's going to pop up and it's going to look like this. And so what you want to do first is make sure that you've chosen your block of time that you want to offer to other teachers or to parents. And if you need to change it later, you can. But then what you have to do is you need to share this calendar with everyone else. And so what I want to do is I want to right click on this link and I want to copy it. So you want to copy this link so that you can share it with teachers or with parents. Now if you have an email list for your parents, you can just paste this link in an email to all of your parents and they'll be able to go through and they'll be able to click on it. So when parents click on this, it will pull up your calendar like this, and it says there are no appointment slots available on this time range, but what you need to tell them to do is find the date. What they will find is each 15-minute slot. And so then what a parent can do is they can decide what time they want, and then they'll click on that time, and so it says it's a teacher meeting, and it has my name in parentheses. This name in parentheses will be your parent's name. So if their name is Joe Smith, then in parentheses it will say Joe Smith. They can type if you want them to type their child's name in the description. You can tell the parents how you want them to fill this out, and then they hit save, and then it will already say that 1 p.m. is booked. So if another parent opens this up, they will find that 1 p.m. is already booked and they will have to pick a different time slot. And so this is nice because your parents have the flexibility to choose, but you can also then see where teachers or parents, whoever is booking these slots, where they have booked. And so now on my calendar, I see that I have scheduled a time for 1 o'clock. And so as parents actually start to book appointment slots, your calendar will also show which parents have booked and when they have booked. And so this is very useful to make your scheduling of parent-teacher conferences or department meetings or just meeting one-on-one with teachers. It makes that a lot easier.